Importance and application of sense and sensation in nursing. First, apply to clinical nursing. Second, nursing education. 3, nursing management. 4, application to nursing specialties. First, apply to clinical nursing. Sense and sensation very important in nursing. Nurses should be assessed senses of the client by means of sensory test, including auditory test and visual test, test of taste and touch, in clinical various aspects, which is very useful to diagnosis the diseases and identify the needs of the client. So senses and sensation is very useful for better care given to the client, sense oriented care. Then apply to cure. Then sense and sensation is a medicine, is a psychological medicine to cure the diseases. Then apply to disease management. Sense and sensation can manage physical illness as well as mental illness. For example, to reduce or manage the stress. Then pain management, to manage the pain in various clinical settings. Then health education. The knowledge of sense and sensation essential to nursing, to educate the client, to promote pleasant senses and better health. Then counseling and guidance. The nurses identify the client's senses and difficulties in senses to guide the client to promote health. Next, promote therapeutic communication between client and nurse. Next, strengthening relationship between care providers and client. Sense and sensation apply to nursing education. To measure student senses. As a nursing educator, need to measure the senses of the students, mainly vision. Vision is essential for learning. Then ensure communication to promote better communication between student and educator. Then strengthening learning skills. Then used to problem solving in learning to solve learning disabilities. Next, help to explore student potential and promote learning ability. Create good learning professionals. Three, apply to nursing administration and management. To know the subordinate nurses. To create free flow communication between supervisor and subordinates, develop job satisfaction in hospitals and healthcare setting, then conflict management, next stress management, then used to recruiting staff nurses. Four, application to nursing specialties. Concept of sense and sensation should be applied in every nursing specialties. First, maternal health nursing. Second, child health nursing. Third, medical surgical nursing. 4, mental health nursing. 5, community health nursing. In conclusion, hence, sense and sensation is fundamental for other mental processes, including perception, learning, etc. Sense and sensation directly linked with health status of people, an individual. The measurement of sense and sensation used to promote health. It is a psychological medicine to treat illness. So, study of sense and sensation help to execution of nursing services. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.